Hit is the call. Entails it is.
On chasing, and that's where they've been successful as well.
Went about his business. This time around, off his pads, goes down to the boundary. Ibrahim Zadran opens his account with the boundary.
Ibrahim is a very, very impressive player. And
First wicket score with 96. That's the kind of day they will want to do that again. What a shot that is. One bounce for second boundary in the over.
amazing stroke.
This time around, played soft hands. Beautiful shot that is. Back-to-back boundaries. Third boundary of the over to complete the over. 13 without loss. Yeah, that is full. Mohammad Akram will be very upset with himself. He didn't give it the treatment, but Gulbadin Naib says, no matter what, I will still be generous enough to allow it go for the boundary. Fumble in the field, allow for the... Mohammad Akram and Ibrahim Zadran are going to have a party out there in the middle, I tell you that. Ibrahim has been enjoying himself. Sends this off the length for the boundary.
He's on. Sweetly driven through the offside. And Ibrahim will pick up another boundary. Batting royalty already on display here at the Kabul Cricket Stadium from Ibrahim. And not in control, is caught. Gazanfar has struck. It's been real struggle for Akram, but he's out now. Out for 7. Simple catch.
बिल्कुल दाजल द शॉट हा चकीगी او بال بونډه څخه بهر د سلور منډو لپاره بهر ورګزار کړ وړاندې خبال ننګال خاروټ تر سره کړ خو دازل خبال نو
روم جوړولو چانس نور کې نو مروبا دالته نو بالکل سیده بیټ سره او توپ ته لانګون باونډري څخه د باندې د کریم جنت له بیټ څخه شپږیزه
بالکل لکه وړاندې چې یادونه وشوه کریم جنت دغه سي شاټونو وړتیا لري او په تیرو لوبو کې هم د خپل لوبډیل لپاره د امدغه سي شاټونه ترلاسه کړي دي د میدان هر اړخ ته لوبه کولی شي او دا ځل هم په لانګان یوه ستره شپږلباز روانو لوبه کې ډېر ښه روان دی خو دا ځل د ترډ مین فیلډر په سرکل کې او بال د څلورو منډو لپاره له بونډۍ څخه بهر ورګزار کړ
ډېر سینسیبل کرکټ کوي توپ ته په کتو سره که وګورو دا ځل ډېر بهترینه شاټ او په کور باندې څلور منډې روم ډېر په زړه پورې لږ شاته ولاړی او توپ یې په اپ سایډ باندې ولوباو او دا ځل کریم جنت توپ د باونډرۍ په لوري باندې څلور منډې هیڅ موقع نه ورکوي ډګر ساتونکي ته کریم جنت
Things can add to gain pace, that's for sure. Long off in place and drops it. And guess what? Rubbing salt into the wound, that ball trickles to the boundary. It's not the morning for the Dragons. Try and defend it.
This was a regular leg spinner which he picked up and he's also sent it for 4. The dive will be in vain. It's not for the lack of effort from Sadiq, but a much needed boundary for Kareem to get going and bring to the table. Got into a good position and he sent it for 4. Kareem Jannat winning this battle at the moment.
More double check with whether this was a slow ball bouncer or a pace on delivery by Gulbadin. Yeah, looks like a pace on, but just that the ball never turned up to the bat. It was so slow.
.50 for Ibrahim. The skipper shows the way. Once again, a middle crunch for the points table and he delivers. A well-made half century. Yes, he did get a line.
He will.
That's massive. There's some shots which you know are sixes the moment they leave the bat. You're just waiting for them to see how far it's going to go.
Out of the park. These are giving it air. And I thought bowling at Karim Jannat, if you're giving the length he's looking for, and the slowness if the batsman is looking for, you're asking for trouble. Probably the line was right outside the off. I'm trying to.
Alistair Cook, and I love his batting. He is my idol, yeah. You know how to play. Catch it, catch it, catch!
Taken. That is a very good catch indeed. Gulbadin, yes, it's time for celebration. He's been hit away for 4. He's trying to get his first wicket, and finally it's come by due to some excellent boundary catching.
And that was a big fast bowler, Lalbaz. Probably a slower delivery by Gulbadin Naib. I thought Ibrahim Zadran stroked the ball pretty well, but couldn't find the elevation. In the end, a massive wicket for the defenders.
सरकई लालबाज डीप लाल क्रिस के आउटसाइड जो बॉल ले बाउंड्री चा भारत चलोर मंडल पारा लकी उदलता नजीब जदरान
खुशबख्त आउडी पॉइंट बाहर दिदा शॉट शपकीजा बैट पर मंजिले हिस्सा बांधे आओ घट शपकीजा द नजीबुल्लाह जदरान ना बैट सखा
अबायत नवे बॉल राशि हाफ ट्रक करो चटाकी तर सर कड़ो पेस सरा डेर खपे कडेर खैर वाखिस्ता सो गोरे खप पोजीशन तलाड़ दगा शॉट ले पारा ऑन साइड के नजीब जदरान ने पावरफुल शपकीजा او بال هم للبغالي څخه بخر
حسن علي ته هم دغه سیو شپږیزه ور کړې و کله چې زموږ پاکستان سره سیریزو په اماراتو کې نجیب
نلوړ لوړ سټریکټ او سلاګ فیلډر شتا او ایواز ننداره بکای بال له باندې ته بهر د شپږ منډل لپاره مخکې ور وړو دي سره نیم مسلې زه هم بشپړ کړه کریم جنت سټایل سره
دا T20 کرکټ دی او دلته کریم جنت بادشاہی روانه ده مختلف شاټونه ده سره ګراوند هر ایریا ته او دا T20 کې
غسیاله کې بریا خپل کړی شاټ آن سایډ کې دغه بال بوله ګیپ کې او بال له باندې ته بهر د څلور منډ لپاره د مایل سټون تر لاسه کول وروسته کریم جنت لا پسې چټه کېږي ډېر ښه لګی دی په نننۍ پوسټ لوبډله وکټ ته اړتیا لري آن سایډ کې دغه بال له بوله دی ګیپ خالي ګاه کې دی او د یو بانس وروسته بال له باندې ته بهر د څلور منډ لپاره چارج دی نجیب او کریم دواړه او دغه وکټ اخیستل به مهم وي د بندي امیر لپاره که نه ستونزې به جوړې کړي او هدف لوړولی شي
آف کاټر یې وکړو ډېر ښه یې پک ښه یې راواخیسته Tongs it down the ground. Long on is a spectator. It's gone the distance for 6. Karim Jannat looking to accelerate, and accelerate how? In the commentary box, I'm Devinder. With me is Farweez Maharood.
Wow, what a hit. Karim Jannat putting up a show for all of us. That was massive. That's his 4th maximum in this innings. Don't think he got the middle of the bat, but it's long enough to go.
2 all-rounders contesting, and Gulbadin is going to prevail now. Karim is held on the boundary. Success, celebration time for Gulbadin Naib. And Karim Jannat is out for 65 of just 41 deliveries. But he's done a fantastic job for his team already.
That went to, I think, Nangal Karoti, probably the best fielder in the entire Spegiza League. Middle of the bat, no chance. Bottom of the bat, in the...
Tongs it down the ground. Long on. Takes the catch. 2 and 2 for Gulbadin Naib. Allah Noor comes and he goes back to the pavilion.
Another safe catch. Sadiqul Athal this time. Allah Noor has absolutely no other thing to do than from the first ball to attack. He does it. I don't think it had the pace of the pitch.
Nicely turned away. Will run away to the boundary for 4. Anti-climax. This has been an eventful over from Gulbadin Naib. Looking for redemption. Hits him on the pad. Huge appeal. Not pick up a 4. 4 leg byes. It's bouncing away and it's going away to the boundary for 4. Top edging it to the boundary, Bilal. A much needed boundary for the team was man at mid-off, deep on the boundary, and he's been caught. Bilal. Salim takes his first wicket after a forgettable outing today. 1 for 41.
Beautifully disguised slow delivery again by Salim Shafi. And Lal Bas, he got palms like a bucket.
Najibullah swings it down the ground. That's a tremendous ball striking from Najibullah Jadran. 6. Massive.
This is the risk Hashmatullah Shaili took by bowling Gulbuddin Naib back-to-back in the death overs. I don't think this is good captaincy. He had the option of Lal Bas, who has one more over, who hasn't bowled for a while. And you bowl a bowler who has bowling for a while. Yes, I understand he has picked up wickets. But in the death overs, you rather want to be unpredictable than being predictable.
Down the ground. Long off, interested. And he takes it eventually. Another wicket for Gulbuddin Naib. Rehman was promoted to provide a couple of big hits. He's out first ball.
Lack of pace again. Beautifully disguised slow delivery by Gulbuddin. And Pacha, who sprinted in from long off, had to take probably on the third attempt. Juggle second, third.
Slow delivery, hammered. Scintillating ball striking from Najibullah Jadran. He's turning on the heat and accelerating quite well for the team Bush defenders.
Wrong choice, Gulbuddin. Leg cutter, turning back into the left-hander. That's a meat and a drink. New ball, please. That was a poor choice taken by Gulbuddin. This ball, defenders will take the score out of 1.
Conceding 41 and taking 4 wickets, but pick up the bowler.
Journalist and news anchor, Mr. Shubhankar. As an Indian fan, but as the true fan of cricket, I'm sure you'll have loved it.
मैं आपको एक अंदर की बात बताता हूँ. हिंदुस्तान में अफगानिस्तान टीम को घर की टीम माना जाता है. हिंदुस्तान में कोई भी देश से मैच होता है, हमेशा ये कहते हैं कि हमारी टीम जीतनी चाहिए.
Bashir Afghan's been one of those, but how about that shot?
ब्यूटीफुल शॉट और कमाल का शॉट था. मतलब मुझे लग रहा है कि वो इमर्जिंग एशिया कप की यादों को दोबारा रिवाइव करता होगा. जैसे कल मुझे किसी ने बताया कि आई थिंक ये चौका लग चुका है.
ये छक्का लग चुका है सर.
छक्का लग चुका है.
ये सिद्दीक के बैट से लगता है तो लग जाता है. He just told us about एक बार मैंने कमिटमेंट कर दी. That is Siddiq for you. He commits to a shot, he makes sure that it goes all the way.
I would love to see. मुझे जायसवाल वाली थोड़ी झलक दिख रही है इनमें. जायसवाल, अभिषेक शर्मा हमारे यहाँ पर 2 ऐसे खिलाड़ी हैं जो आतिशबाजी करते हैं और वही यहाँ पर भी हमें दिखाई पड़ रहा है.
No, it's good to hear the cricket from the Kabul Cricket Stadium, Shpagiza Cricket League. Alongside us is Shubhankar Mishra ji, who's once again been greeted with another maximum of the bat of Siddiq Adal.
देखिए आज वो मेरी यादों को रिवाइव करने के लिए खेल रहे हैं. उन्हें याद है कि उन्होंने एशिया कप में हमें जो थोड़ा परेशान किया था, वो कह रहे हैं आज आप इसको एंजॉय कीजिए.
आपको मैंने पहले पूछा कि आपने एंजॉय किया कि नहीं, अब बता रहे हैं कि आप इसको एंजॉय कर रहे हैं. दैट मींस
मैं उसमें एक नाम अफगानिस्तान का भी जोड़ना चाहूंगा. चाहे जिस तरह से एक और चौका.
सर, Afghanistan is famous for hospitality, and I'm sure
all guys, all the best. और मुझे उम्मीद है कि मुझे ये भी उम्मीद है कि आज ये टीम काफी एंटरटेन करने वाली है. मुझे शहीदी की टीम है. शहीदी इज माय गुड फ्रेंड. सो पोटेंशियल आप लोगों में, हौसला आप लोगों में, एंड आई थिंक ये सारे फैक्टर्स मिलकर एक मुल्क को कामयाब बना सकते हैं. तो इस शौके के साथ ही आप सबको बहुत शुभकामनाएं.
We say goodbye to Mr. Mishra ji with a brilliant shot for 4 after 5.
Kavi. By duayım Şakir Sepçi. Apil kıydık da ballar o da ham out.
بالکل په زړه پورې توپ اچونه د وحید زدران له لوري که څه هم غوښتلی چې سویپ کړي دغه بال خو توپ په باډۍ باندې لګېږي ریپلې ګورو چې بالکل لوبڅار څه ناڅه انتظار وکړ او د انتظار وروسته یې ګوته اوچته کړه د صدیق الله اتل
او په خپلو وړتیا او استعداد باندې تر دې ځایه رارسېدلی دی.
واو لکه څرنګه چې تاسو یادونه کوله هارون خان په زړه پورې شاټ او توپ د باونډرۍ څخه د باندې شپږ منډې احمد شاه پکتین دا اشاره ورته کوي چې هارون په دغه توپ باندې شپږیزه ترسره کړه. واقعا هم لکه څرنګه چې د هارون په استعداد او وړتیا باندې خبره کوو ډېر په زړه پورې توپان. هارون نه یوازې د کورني کرکټ کې ښه ځلېدلی ده هر ایونټ کې نه یوازې فرست کلاس کې که واخان وګورو که نورې لوبې وګورو لیستې وګورو په ترې لوبو کې هم ښه ځلېدلی ده خو د ده ځانګړنه دا ده چې د په تیرو لوبو کې دی په همدغه پوزیشن نه و پرانیدګر توپ
سایډ باندې دغسې توپ اچونه کوي نو ستا موخه هم دی چې ایجوز یو کیپر ته کیچ ورشي. دلته هم مس فیلډینګ او څلور منډې د حشمت الله شهید
بالکل خرابه ډګر ساتنه ورته ویلی سو هیڅ د ازل بیان کټ او دلته توپ د سکور لیګ باونډرۍ څخه د باندې څلور منډې
حشمت الله شهیدي په ډېر فارم کې ښکاري
سره کې خو د څه ناڅه ستونزې راپورته کولی شي. واو ډېر په زړه پورې انسایډ آوټ او د کور باونډرۍ څخه د باندې څلور منډې هارون خان دغه توپ وهنه دغه په زړه پورې شاټونه.
Shahidi, the hard work he has done. He did mention before the tournament. Run out chance, direct hit. Most of the time, it's quite close. Don't think Harun, the impact sub, is quite confident. Looking at his body language, I think he's in trouble.
And the reason why he wasted little time at the striker end, he was not interested in the single. The skipper, Ashwat Shahidi, forced the single. He pushed for it, and Harun responded, ran towards the non-striker end. And the presence of mind from Arab Gul Moment to collect the ball and aim at the wicket. I beg your pardon, the presence of mind from fielder, but he's out, short of the crease. Will have to walk back.
Certainly. What a timely wicket for the Bose defenders. They were looking for something to break the partnership, and they've done it courtesy of an unnecessary run out. Harun was striking the ball so well for the finals.
Oh, he slices this nice and for a boundary. Much needed boundary, welcome boundary. After 19 deliveries, Bandiami Dragons get their first.
Good presence of mind by the skipper, and that's one hallmark of a side who's doing really well and consistent.
Boundary off the bat of Shahzad Mohammadi. Boundaries need to come every over. One, batter two.
Nothing. The Dragons has to be quite tactful.
In the air, brilliant effort, but will run down to the boundary. Back-to-back boundaries off the bat of Shahzad. Much needed acceleration from the Bandiami Dragons and Shahzad Mohammadi.
The field at deep mid-wicket never looked like getting to the ball. It was hit quite hard. There's Azim Zadran, the left-arm spinner, but could have been a bit more sensible by collecting on the one bounce.
د کابل کرکټ لوبغالي کې د شهزاد محمدي پر وړاندې او دلته څومره په زړه پورې شاټ او څلور منډې ډګر ساتونکي هڅه وکړه چې بال رامنې کړي خو ډېر ښه پلیسمنټ او ټایمنګ د
ډېر لږ لیدل کېږي داسې چې شهزاد محمدي د په اوپننګ کې نه وي او دا ځل آن سایډ کې ډېر ښه ځان جوړ کړ ډېر ښه پوزیشن ته لاړ شهزاد محمدي دوه پرله پسې څلورې ځي ډېره مهمه سیالي او د دغه دواړو ایکسپیرینس تجربه کار چونکو په ډول په پاور پلی کې توپ اچونه ترسره کوي او دا ځل څه یادونه مو چې کوله او څه ته چې اړتیا لرله بوس لوبډلې هغه یې ترلاسه کړ عرب ګل محمد بې وکټې نشي تېرېدی او دلته یې بیا وکټ ترلاسه کړه
څومره ښه ډګر ساتنه د عبدالله ترخیل له لوري که څه هم لمر هم سترګو ته مخامخ وي دغه ساحه کې خو ښه ججمنټ د بال او عرب ګل مومند د تېرې لوبې هیرو لوبغاړی دی څلور لوبغاړي سوځولي وو او دلته سویپ او بال د څلورو منډو نه راګرځوي او که څنګه خو بالکل عظیم ښه هڅه وکړله خو بال د څلورو منډو لپاره ولوبېده لوریزه کې د 2000 په شاوخوا کې منډې جوړې کړې دي او څومره په زړه پورې توپ اچونه د عظیم له لوري 15 اورونه پای ته ورسېدل 1 2 3 لوبغاړي بندامي له لاسه ورکړي
ډېر یو ښه پیل که څه هم پیل یې په وایډ سره وکړ عظیم زادران خو دغه توپ اچوونکې او وروستیا بال یې په زړه پورې و یوازې 15 منډې ورکړې په لومړي اوور کې
بولډ آوټ ښکاري دلته ملت موږ فکر وکړ چې د وکټ ساتونکو په ګلوز باندې به وکټ لګېدلی خو شهزاد دلته وکټ له لاسه توپ وهنې ته راغی او دلته بل سلاک سویپ او بال د یوې ډپه کې وروسته بال د 4 منډو لپاره لوبیږي پر اتک سره چټکه توپ وهنه د رحمان الله زدران لوري
او چټک لوبیږي په
Swings it through the onside. Slams it into the stands. Gulbuddin Naib is clawing the way back for the team Bande Army Dragons in this contest. Against the tide. The ball was moving away, but he has slammed it to perfection. A meaty connection, taking it over the boundary.
Welcomes the young man with a mighty hit. Picked up the length early. And it was flat, hard and long.
Brilliant delivery. Bashir has found the wicket. This could be game-changing moment in play. Gulbuddin is gone for 17 and Bashir has struck at the critical juncture in the game.
Good comeback by the young man. Shows lots of confidence in his skills. That's an slow balls into the pitch, which nicely carried to the wicket keeper. Gulbuddin Naib, he made his mind up that has to go.
Your swinging deliveries. Full toss and pumped through the offside. Will pick up a boundary. A pressure releasing stroke from Pacha. Slammed it down the ground. Down the ground for 6. Superb, absolutely superb from Ramanullah.
Yes, trusting the instincts, but this time Ramanullah picked it up. Had a very good base to swing through the line. A slow ball into the pitch. This location was skidding on to the bat rather than gripping.
Beautiful. That is absolutely beautiful from Ramanullah Jadran. The equation has come down to 21 of 7.
Dealing in sixes, Ramanullah again guilty of bowling in the hitting length by Bashir Ahmed. Possibly a slow.
In the air. Long on. Takes the catch. Wicket of the final delivery of the over. And 21 runs to win from the final over for the team Bande Army Dragons.
Against the run-off play, Bashir Ahmed strikes again. First in the last over it was Gulbuddin. This occasion it's Ramullah Zadran who was looking ominous, looking good. With some
He's edging it. It's coming down for 4. Vital boundary of the first delivery of the over. 17 from 5 now.
Let me tell you.
The Bush defenders. Swings it through the onside. Over mid-wicket for 6. A humongous 6 from Siddiq Pacha. Now, 11 from 5.
This was a poor delivery by Abdul. It's a nothing delivery right in the hitting arc. Not too sure whether it was a slow ball or pace on, whatever it is. It was right in the hitting arc. You either go full, or if you want to bowl the slow ball bounce, it got to be much more shorter. And Pacha in his
Pacha is working behind square. It's gone for 6. A flat 6. What a dramatic comeback from the team Bande Army Dragons It's Pacha once again, rising to the occasion for the team.
Wow, what a game we are having. Even when these two sides played the game number 10, it was a close encounter, and this promises to be ending in a very, very close occasion. Batting deep in his crease, square leg in the circle, fine leg in the circle.
For the team. Oh, he misses. He wants to run here. He wants to run. It's going to the boundary. It's gone for 4. It's gone for 4. What a dramatic victory for the team Bandya Army Dragons. Pacha does it again. He keeps the hopes alive for the team in the 10th edition of Spagiza Cricket League 2025. Of the last delivery, it's a poetic justice for the team, and it's been provided by. We thought that there was something in the pitch. Bush defenders amassing 182 for